Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. So throughout this video today I will show you how to download and install uh, TurboC C++ on your Windows 11 OS. So without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, open your browser and search for TurboC or C++. So you can see these websites are showing here, developer inside and Softonic. So you have to go with the developer inside. So click on this link and now you can see the download button here, download Turbo C++. So click on this download button to download it. So it is now started downloading. So wait for some time until it download completed. So see the file is started download here. So to it is completed, so click on this file and there double click on it. This is the setup application, so double click on it to install. Okay, I think it's not working, so yeah, now it's working. So it is now installing. Okay, because I have clicked 2 times, that's why it is showing here. So now click on the next button and here accept the terms and conditions of this application. Again click on this next button, click on this install button. So now it's started to installing on your system. So wait for some time. When it will installed successfully on your system, then we will go through the next step. Again click on this yes button to confirm it. So after installing, we will see how to run our first program in C or C++. So now it is asking to you launch the program and click on this finish button. So now it has completed, because we have clicked 2 times, that's why it is showing here now again. Finish. So now it is installed now. So you have 2 options, new project and the start Turbo C++. So you have to click here start Turbo C++. So it has been started now. Okay, so you have to click on this file option and then new. Okay, so you have here now click on this quit button and close this, close all the tab, minimize it, and now here search in the search bar Turbo C++, and now click on this start Turbo C++. Okay, so now you have to write here the program of C language or C++. So we have to here include the header files, like has include studio.h. So this is basically header file you have to include here, and the main function and here you have to write the printf. Okay, then double inverted comma, then in between the double inverted comma you have to write, like you can print something. I want to print techie tube. Okay, and now give here semicolon after the parenthesis. So now here you have to write what? Return 0, and again write get ch, and now you have to save this file. Okay, write dot c extension. Okay, so you can select here the path. So now it is saved now. So as we know, we have to compile this code before running it. So first let's compile this code. If any error is showing here, then you have to fix, after that you can run. So it has been compiled here, errors are 0, so press any key to close it, and now you can run this code. So click on this run, or you can use the shortcut keys Control plus F9. Also you can use for compiling like Alt plus F9. So you can also use the shortcut keys, or you can simply click on this option. So run this code. So it is showing the warning, void functions may not return a value. Okay, now again save it, and again run this code. So now you can see our first C program in the TurboC C++ has been completed, and you can see that we have written in the print function TechieTube, and it has been printed successfully. So we have seen how to download, install and run the first program using the TurboC C++ application. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. So if this video is helpful for you, then please like, comment and share, and please do subscribe my channel for latest videos, for more updates. So thank you so much. So if you want to quit this application, then you can use the shortcut key Alt plus X. Otherwise you can click on this quit option, then you will be returned to the to this application. So thank you again.